introduce our picosecond laser tetris removal machine for you. And you can see our three tips. The first one is the 1064, and the second one is the 755, and the last one is the breaker. It also means the 1320. And now let me introduce how to operate this machine. And you can see here is the red aiming lights to adjust, such as now is no red aiming lights. You can see now is no red aiming lights, and increase to 1 is like this, and then increase to 4. Now is the maximum. Right. Okay. Now it's entered to this interface. The first one is the 1064, and the second one is the 755, and the last one is the 532. And now let me introduce how to use the 1064 handle. Now let's enter to this interface. And we only need to adjust the energy and the frequency during our treatments. The maximum energy is 1200, and the frequency is 10%. We can adjust them according to your client's situation, and we are using this handle to do the treatment. And now let me introduce how to install this handle. It's very easy. Okay, it's very easy to install. And this tool is to connect the CO2. And this one is the CO2 tube. Okay, now we are done the installment. Now let me tell you how to change the spot size. You can see now is the minimum 2%. We only need to push the handle tip and then reroute. Now it's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, 9% is the maximum. We can change it according to your customer's situation. For example, now I'm changed to 3. Click here to start the treatment, and we need to note it. When we're doing the treatment, we can't use the handle to point the screen. Now let's increase the spot size. Now the spot size is 6. Let's see the difference. The 1064 and 532 handle. We are using this handle to remove our textures and pigmentation. And the difference between the 1064 and 532 is the 1064 is for colorful textures, and the 532 is for black or brown textures. Now let's enter the 532 interface. The energy and the frequency. The maximum is 10%, and the maximum energy is 600%. Okay, and this one is the spot size. And click here to start the treatment. By the way, I want to tell you is this handle and this handle is used the same tip to install, such as. Okay, and now let me show you how to install the 755 handle. And then contact the CO2. Now it's okay. Now let's enter the next interface, the 755. And adjust the energy and the frequency. The maximum is 1200, and the maximum frequency is 10%. Adjust the frequency and the energy according to your customer's needs. And click here to start. And the function of the 755 is thread cross removal and the scale elimination. Now let me tell you how to install the 1320 handle. First, connect this tip. Okay, and the second step. Okay, now let's enter the last handle. This one is the 1320 handle. It also means red dot, and we are using the 1064 interface. adjust the energy and the frequency. The maximum is 1200%, and the frequency, the maximum is 10%. And we should know when we use the 1320 tip, we need to combine the carbon peeling jet to use. Such as I have already applied the toner here. This one is the cooling handle, and we are using this handle is after the tattoos removal treatment. And we can click the switch here to start. Now give me the feeling is cooling.